Uh, Hi, today we are going to learn about the redundancy in database. What is it? And we will discuss it using this website, which is for Kicks. This is very beautiful website. It has lots of information about the technology. So my name is Bakir, and I am going to be your mentor today. So uh, we are we are discuss about the problems which we which will face when developing any sort of the database management system. So this is about it. So the problem of redundancy in database. So it is about this. You can see the example here as well. Also, I'm also explaining throughout the reading material which you are looking at. So redundancy means having multiple copies of the same data, which you can see it. Can you see it? The college name is same, the course name is same, and the rank is same. Along with that, but the student ID is different, but name is different, and the contact number is different. But three attribute of that table is different, is same. So means having a multiple copies of the same data in the database. This arise when the database is not normalized. So we have a solution for that to remove the redundancy from the table. So throughout the normalization. So we will cover up after that normalization what is it, and we will discuss upon it also. So we have we have a name ID, a student ID name, student name, college rank, and course outlet. So this is the problem occurred when we have a same date in the table. So this there's a problem occurs. So what is this? Let's observe it. It can be observed that values are of attribute college name, college rank, and course are being repetitive. So you can see these are the repetitive. College name and course name and rank is repetitive, which can lead problem. So what will the problem occur when we are and deleting and retrieving updating the data, insertion, deletion, and decision. So this sort of a top problem will occur. So what is it that we will have for example here, which is about the insertion anomaly. So what will happen, for example, if the student detail has to be inserted, which course is not being decided, yeah, the insertion will not possible till the time course is decided for the student. So let's suppose uh, like it is necessary. So see the course, you know, if the course if the course student hasn't decided which course they will need it. So when we're entering his data into the in our database, so so here's a problem. Till he will never decide, till been deciding, uh, we could not able to insert his data in our database management system. So that's the problem. You can see the definition. The problem happen when the insertion of the data record is not possible without adding some additional unrelated data in the record. Deletion anomaly. By the way, anomaly means this is a term we often use when we are facing some such problem of and deletion, updating, and uh, deletion, insertion. Yeah. So we have a second problem, second anomaly. If the detail of in this table are deleted, then the table of the college will also get deleted. So if for example, if you will delete the detail, we are using the student ID, we are just giving that delete a student ID, delete student delete student ID from this, and then where a student ID equals to this. So this will delete the whole detail of the if detail of the of that student, particular student, even include the name of the college. So we don't want this, because we don't want to delete this, because in after one, when we were looking at which we have deleted, so the college name will also be deleted as well. Losing identity information that was stored as a part of the record that was deleted from the table. So it is not possible to delete some information without losing some other information in the table. So this is not even possible that we want to delete the name or contact or but we don't want to delete the course name or college name. This is not even possible. We could not even delete a single attribute, single data from it. So second thing is that updation anomaly. Suppose the rank of the college changes, will app be to change all over the database. If we want to change some sort of the rank here and here, we will have to change from here and as well here all over again. So suppose the rank of the college changes, the change will have to be to overall the update, which will be time consuming and computationally costly. All should be updated. If the updation does not occur at all, the places, then the database will not be in inconsistent state. Then the data will not be will be in inconsistent state. So if we will if data will be inconsistent state. So if we will not delete from like we will if we will have a rank one here and two here and one here and two here, it will be inconsistent data because this is about the rank of the college. So this is called inconsistent data. So just look at another thing. So so what are the problem often see that inconsistency when we are doing some such kind of operation, deletion, insertion, and updation. So such kind of a problem occurred to us. So here's the problem here. So how we could solve there is a problem also due to the redundancy. So redundancy means some sort of data which are repetitive, which are present in our table repetitively. So data consistency is an integrity issue. Multiple copies of the same data can become inconsistent. So if you have the same data of multiple copies, so all updated simultaneously, inaccurate and unreliable. So we have to delete all over from everywhere. If we will not, then there will be integrity issue. Increase storage requirement, it will also increase the storage because college name is same. If you are some of sort of the student is taking the admission in particular university, so that is obvious that this is a common sense that student his college name is this. So for example, if we have a college of Oxford, if you're getting an admission from here and your friend is also getting taking admission in university as well. So when somebody will ask you what's your college name, both of your college names will be same. So that is quite obvious. So when we're inserting some kind of a data in our table database, we have to place every time whenever we need to insert some other students database which are taking the admission in our university. So that's the problem occurs sometimes. So again, let's move on to the next thing, data storage requirement. Updates anomalies, we will have to delete the data from a particular place again and again all over again. Must be in multiple places showing the slide operation and increase the chances of update error. So it sometimes if you will not delete it, the data will be inconsistent or there will be update error as well. Maintenance complexity, such kind of a database is really complex to maintain that because update synchronizing multiple copies make maintenance more time consuming and overprompt. Security and privacy, more copies are the same data create more points of vulnerability. So it will be I'm not sure about it, like how it could be a security issue for that. More copies of the same data create more points of vulnerability, increase the risk of unauthorized access or data breaches. Data duplication and wastage. Repetitive storage of identical data leads to unnecessary duplication, wasting both patient space and administration efforts. Usability and accessibility usage. User may face confusion in identifying the correct or latest version of the data, reducing productivity and trust in the system. So the thing is that when the user is requiring retrieving the data from database, if the rank of the database different from different places, so they will be creating impressions, such kind of impression which will create confusion. So if that database is saying that the rank is call it the rank is one, and the second time when retrieve the data, it shows that rank of the college is two. So that means the data is fake, that has some kind of problem, that data we should not rely upon that. So that sort of problem could occur here. So I hope you will guys understand it. If you have any sort of issues, you can just drop down your comments over the comment box, and we will discuss it later.